Akiaria ari mucini wa Nairobi hindi ya mehariririo ma kihinguro gia kigomano kia Wonjoria na iganda nikio Africa Commerce and Industry Summit, murugamiriri munene wa ngwataniro ya Wonjoria KNCCI niwe Eric Ruto augite kigomano giki giukite gwikira hinya mubango wa Wonjoria wa hamwe gitaru-ini kia Africa mubango-ini wa AfCFTA.
Why we are holding this summit is that the inter-African trade currently stands at between 15 to 18%, depends on which regional economic bloc where you are. Here in East Africa, we are doing very well. We are leading. We are around 20%. Other parts of Africa, they are 15%.
How do we leverage these energies of our young people to become politically aware, economically aware, that we can open up trade and everybody benefits? So when I say the next frontier of business is Africa, we need to make it happen on this continent.
Eric Ruto akiuga Kenya itari ta nene ya Wonjoria gitaru-ini kia Afrika ya irathiro kumana na mituki yayo hari kugacirithia ukui, mitambo ya nenda cia kiriu na ukuria wa mabengi.
And Kenya is a hub for East and Central Africa. We have the most developed port, that is Mombasa Port, Lamu Port, the airports, the railway that is almost now going into Uganda. And we're happy that Uganda is developing one and is able to connect East and Central Africa.
Kigomano giki kia ASIS gikurehe hamwe aigithia na anyiti itemi wonjoria-ini na ukuria-ini wa iganda kuma mabũrũri ma Afrika na nja wa Afrika. Eric Ruto akiuga ni gia guturira gacira ndugu ya kiwonjoria gatagati ka aigithia kuma mabũrũri matiganite.
This event is going to take place in Nairobi in the month of October on 14th, 15th and 16th of October. Is going to be an exhibition, trade and investment conference.
Kigomano giki gikirongorerio gutua miario ciiko ukinyaniria mutaratara wa Wonjoria wa hamwe Afrika uria urongoreirio gutega thoko ya andu matanyihiire bilioni 1.5. Gerifo Tera Inoro TV Getu wa Garimaria wa Muigana.